Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G60S. Start by accessing Play Store on both devices and installing an app called Send Anywhere. Then you need to open it. And over here select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select Receive on Motorola G60S and send on this Android device. Following that, you need to tap on all of those dots and then click Send over here. As you can see, this way you can select chosen files and transfer them. It will take a lot of time though, all of them, so I will go with only one. Just send and tap on Got It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on G60S, choose Allow or Only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Then wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!